Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to just pull my camera out while I installed this 6x6 closure wig on my friend. So if you want to see me install it, it's pretty easy. I feel like it's like a lot of other styles, almost like installing a frontal just with a closure. But you guys gonna see that your girl didn't have to do no cornrows in it, and I will put all the products I use in the description box, as well as it pops up on the screen. I'll just put the words in as well. And you guys gonna have to excuse the way I look crazy. I really didn't feel good, and I'm almost 6 months pregnant, and my belly probably pops out in some of this video, so please just disregard it. Please disregard it in some parts of the video, and ignore how I look. I look crazy. And yeah. And since it's not a video where I'm talking or get to talk to you guys, I'm going to just go ahead and give you some internet hugs and kisses to you guys, all my loyal subscribers and all my new subscribers. We give hugs around here. So yeah, so I hope y'all felt that love through my voiceover. All right, guys, if you not have already subscribed, go ahead, like this video and thumbs it up. Don't thumbs it down. If you thumbs it down, I mean, that's cool too. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.